Hello, my name is Anusha Beg. I am from QB. I will tell you Pong ball game. First, I will tell you Pong ball game commanding. On the line commanding is then we clicked green flag. Then we clicked and forever and is all you can see. First, we need to go in here and take when clicked. Second, you need to go to control section, that take forever loop. Then we need a if then block and touching mouse point. Then we need to attach the if then block to here. Then we will change the option. We will select the ball or anything it is falling. Then we need a stop all. We need to again go to control section